Yes. This is the one. Yes. All right. Now you can take the roller just above your kneecap. Okay. Take it just above your kneecap. Just keep the end of your thigh portion on this. Okay. And just press it down and turn around completely. What to do? Press it down and turn around here. Got it? With one leg simply. And now you are going to roll this way. Got it here? You are going to roll from your knee to up here. From your knee to up here. That's it, is the rolling. Got it? Just 2 rolls max. Here. Take it down little more. Take it towards your knee. Take the roller to your knee here. Got it? My kneecap is just below the roller. Just below the roller. And here. Getting down. Take your leg forward. Take your upper leg forward in front of you. So you can balance. Yes, and lift your body up. Here. And roll it. Just simply rolling in and out. Rolling in and out. What are you feeling?
Little bit massaging.
Huh?
This is type of massaging.
Okay.
It's massaging.
Massaging, right? All right.
Yes.
Good one. Now you can take the roller on the upper edge. I'll show you on this way itself. What you were doing it, you are keeping on the middle thigh. So now do it on the middle thigh. Here. Same way. Got it? And start rolling. Start rolling here. Rolling to your hip and closer. Rolling to your hip and closer. It's not going actually to your hip. It is just rolling to your hip and back to the thigh. Back to the thigh. Here. I'm feeling little discomfort.
Little bit, that will be there.
Very good. Keep your leg up. Keep that leg up. Lower leg will be up straight. It won't be touching. Lower leg will be up straight. Take it up. Lower leg, lower leg. Lower leg should be up. Lower leg. Upper leg down. Lower leg straight up here. And now do the rolling. How's that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Little extra? Tension? Little extra?
Little bit. Yes.
Yeah. Now we'll go for the next one. That is for our hamstring. Yeah. Most tighten hamstring is onto your hips level. Yeah. Hips at your hip level, most tightness of your hamstring. So what you do is keeping your hands little backside and try to pull your body towards your arm and roll it. Towards your arm and roll it. Only single leg. If you do double leg, no problem. You will feel more tension. You can feel it more tension. Just go on there. Are you getting it? Something?
Yes.
That's good. That's good. Yeah. Then, once you've done this, then you will go for the lower back. Very good. Okay. So you can do 7 to 8 times each side. And now just keep it just above your waistline and trying to lie down here. Only legs are touching. You can keep your hands for the support, but it won't be supporting you as much as majorly. You have to just roll it down here till the upper edge of your low back, upper edge of your lumbar, and pull your body straight up here. Pull your body straight up here. Sometimes this happens. You just roll back. Yes. You can just simply go for the low back with this two rolling. Just going up and down, going up and down. This is something important. Then you can go for the upper back. Now you are doing the upper back. Now currently you are doing the upper back. Here. This is the upper back one. Simply go towards your neck, your shoulders, and upper back here. Go towards your neck and upper back here. Going down and upper back. Going down and upper back. Going down here and upper back. Yes. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can use this. This is little softer roller, right? If you just try to pinch in, then you can feel like if you pinch in from upper side. Yes.
Yes, that will be.
Right? Okay, so you can use this roller under your neck. Okay, you can use this roller under your neck, cervical. So what you can do is, whenever you are having lot of soreness or having, say, heavy computer work for long hours, you can simply lying down, keep your this trapezius, like your shoulder muscle, this muscular shoulder, onto the this roller and just hold on there. Just hold on here. That's it. You will do it. You will do this much itself. Okay. Just keep your cervical there and feel relaxed. There. Got it? Very good. Moving on. And easy here. Okay. The most, again, one part is remaining, that is the calf, which is something the many of people having the stiffness of the calf from the side way or from the back side of the calf. So you can just slide your calf here this way, just pointing, keep your feet pointing forward, pointing out, and just do this. So you will get this one, or you can do just from the back side. I'm not feeling anything because not having the stiff calf anyways. But many people could have this stiff calf. If you have that particular soreness, yeah, then calf soreness, many of the people getting it. Now I'm getting little onto my right here. Again, the left and right, both the sides will be different. So might be you might be feeling the left side different, right side different feeling. So
Yes.
you can understand it.